Hi guys and welcome back to the Taste and Bloom kitchen. Today we are making this delicious plantain sandwich or pie. You're going to love this one, trust me. So do stay with me and let's do this. So I have my bowl here. I'm going to go ahead and add in or put in rather my cooked ripe plantains. So you can use your asanka, you can use your food processor, but I just wanted to go this way. With the help of my wooden masher or tapoli, I'm going to go ahead and grind my plantains to sort of like mimic a toe. Whilst I'm doing that, if you have not subscribed yet or this is your first time here, hi, my name is Yasmi. Please consider subscribing for free and joining this amazing blooming family. And if you're a returning subscriber, I am super grateful for you. Thank you for always coming back to support me. Also, please give me a thumbs up. Leave your comments down below when you get to the end of the video and share and let others also watch my video. Okay, so as you can see, my plantain has been mashed beautifully. I'm going to go ahead and add in some breadcrumbs. I have a recipe for breadcrumbs on my channel. That's the same one I used in this recipe, so go ahead and check it out. There's a secret ingredient that makes it so good. Okay, I'll leave that link in the description box. Check it out and make some at home. It's super simple to put together. So my bread comes as like a binder, if you like, and then I'll go ahead and put all of it together to mimic sort of like a dough. Okay. Apart from my breadcrumbs helping to bind my plantain, it will also make sure that once my recipe is done, my exterior is a bit crunchy or crispy, if you like. So my filling, so simple. I used canned tuna. So I had drained the liquid from it, and then I went in with some chopped onions and chopped carrots. I also went in with some powdered pepper and salt, and that was it. Okay. So of course you can use any filling of your choice, meat, whatever you have in your fridge, you can use it as well. So I brought out my plantain dough. I'm going to call it that way. Used my hand to flatten it a bit and then went ahead to cut out the dough into 4 squares. But of course, just like the way you would make pies, you can cut this out into any shapes of your choice. But I didn't want to make it round because it will mean that some of it will be left and then I'll have to recut. And to be honest, I didn't want that wahala. And what will be helping me from this point is my sandwich maker. But of course, if you don't have a sandwich maker, you can use your grill pan, you can use your frying pan. Please, the goal is to enjoy your plantain sandwich. So I'm putting this together or I'm assembling the sandwich. I have one layer of plantain first and then add in my filling and then cover with my other layer of plantain or slice if you like. And then I'll cover this and then allow the sandwich maker to do its job. It took about 5 minutes, and when it was out, I really enjoyed it one hot afternoon. So usually the sandwich maker would show you or give you a signal when your sandwich is ready. As you can see, it has charred beautifully and it went well with some chilled coke, right? I hope you try this recipe because you're going to love it. The kids are going to love it. And until we meet again, please don't forget to keep blooming.